Good day, my name is Ryan. Today I'm back with another video, and I'm shutting open Strissy! Strissy! Oh my gosh. The Strissy. It's very, very Strissy. Very, very Strissy. Very, very Strissy. It's very, very Strissy. It's very, very stressy, very, very stressy, da 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 da. Alright, let's, alrighty, let's do this. Let's pinch it. Get ready. I'm scared that something bad will come out. Oh.
It's foam in there?
I don't know.
I think foam's in there, size.
I don't know.
What did
I gotta cut a bigger hole than that. Oh, I'm just scared. What is it?
What's here?
What is this? What is this? It's Play-Doh. You guys can see the Play-Doh.
Wow.
Ew, there's weird stuff in it.
It's a homemade one. How did they make it?
Aaron made it for me to cut up.
Yeah, I made
so
it.
I have no...
I made a homemade one.
I have no idea what's in here. He knows. Well, let's cut it open.
Foam.
Ah! Wow! It's all everywhere. Foam. Whoa, that's all everywhere. It's all over my desk now. Foam. There is foam. Oh, ew.
What?
Foam.
So
It's covered in crap.
Foam. Why are you in there? How? Foam, wait. I'm not right. Foam. Oh, wait. I fell.
Whoever's moving my chair, stop it. Ew. Ew. Alright, let's move all the balloons over. Aaron, hush, okay?
Where's all my Play-Doh?
Just take out everything. Let's get all the Play-Doh in this one Play-Doh. I know.
Is it even on the video? Yep.
Yeah. Should be. It's still recording. Let's get all of these. Guys, if you enjoyed this video of us cutting open this, just please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.